Everybody, I hope this works and I hope I don't have to kind of do a voiceover for this, but my iMovie has been playing up for the past few months and I'm going to give it a whirl. I really want to film a video. This will be my first video in months, and I apologize for that, but I hope that it works and that you like this video. And yeah, so see you guys in a minute with my everyday makeup routine, sort of. I don't do this every day, but it's what I would do if I was wearing makeup every day. So see you in a minute. Pretend that the rollers aren't there and that my head is nice. But yeah, this is what I would usually do for an everyday kind of look. I would do like a really, I wouldn't even call this a smoky eye. I mean, I guess you could. It's a smudged eye. It's not really that smoky. Mascara, blush, minimal foundation. Like the foundation I use is really light. It's the Healthy Mix Serum. And then I set it with two different powders. I set it with this Bourjois powder, which is really light in beige Clair, around my eye area in the middle of my face. And it looks even paler on camera than it actually is. Let me see if I can hold it against, I don't know, it's not going to look right. And then MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark, which is a little bit, not darker, but a little bit more orangey than my skin is. And so I use that kind of on the perimeters of my face to bring back a little bit of shape. But I don't do much contouring on a day-to-day basis, and I don't really wear bronzer. But the blush I use, which is Ambering Rose, which is a sheer tone shimmer blush, is really pretty. And because it's kind of a dark brick, orangey, red colour, it kind of contours as well as highlights because of the fact that it's got shimmer in it. So it kind of adds a bit of dimension by itself. And then I use it on my eyes sometimes as well because it's just so pretty. And I love this product. This is probably one of my favourite products of all time, like makeup wise anyway. Yeah, I love So that's the look anyway, and I hope you guys liked, and I will be back soon with more videos if this works, because I don't want to be discouraged from it. So yeah, I might see you guys soon.